If you're looking to earn money from your videos on YouTube, you'll need to enable monetization. Monetization allows you to earn money from ads that appear on your videos, as well as other revenue streams such as merchandise sales and channel memberships. In this article, we'll walk you through a 10-step process to enable monetization on your videos. Step 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Before you can enable monetization on your videos, you need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months on your channel. You also need to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Step 2. Sign into YouTube Studio. To enable monetization on your videos, you'll need to access YouTube Studio, which is YouTube's creator dashboard. Sign into your YouTube account, click on your profile picture, and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on the Monetization tab. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on the Monetization tab in the left sidebar. If you're not eligible for monetization yet, you'll see a message indicating that you need to meet the eligibility requirements before you can monetize your videos. Step 4. Set up an AdSense account. To earn money from ads on your videos, you'll need to set up an AdSense account. If you don't already have an AdSense account, you can set one up from the Monetization tab. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Step 5. Link your AdSense account to your YouTube account. Once you've set up your AdSense account, you'll need to link it to your YouTube account. From the Monetization tab, click on Start next to Monetize with Ads. You'll be prompted to link your AdSense account. Step 6. Review and agree to the YouTube Partner Program (YPP) terms. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is the program that allows you to monetize your videos on YouTube. Before you can monetize your videos, you'll need to review and agree to the terms of the YPP. Click on Review Partner Program Terms and follow the on-screen instructions to review and agree to the terms. Step 7. Enable monetization on your videos. Once you've met the eligibility requirements, set up your AdSense account, and agreed to the YPP terms, you can enable monetization on your videos. From the Monetization tab, click on Start next to Monetize with Ads. You'll be prompted to choose the types of ads you want to show on your videos. Step 8. Wait for approval. After you've enabled monetization on your videos, you'll need to wait for approval from YouTube. This process can take up to a week, but in some cases it can take longer. You can check the status of your monetization application from the Monetization tab in YouTube Studio. Step 9. Optimize your videos for monetization. To maximize your earnings on YouTube, it's important to optimize your videos for monetization. This means creating high-quality, engaging videos that are ad-friendly and contain relevant keywords. Encourage engagement from your viewers by asking them to like, comment, and share your videos. Step 10. Monitor your analytics. Once you've enabled monetization on your videos and started earning revenue, it's important to monitor your analytics to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. YouTube provides a wealth of data through its analytics dashboard, which can help you make informed decisions about your content and monetization strategy. Here are some key metrics to monitor. 1. Views. The number of times your videos have been viewed. 2. Watch time. The total amount of time that viewers have spent watching your videos. 3. Revenue. The amount of money you've earned from ads and other monetization sources. 4. Engagement. Metrics such as likes, comments, and shares can indicate how engaged your viewers are with your content. 5. Demographics. YouTube provides data on your viewers' age, gender, and location, which can help you understand your audience and tailor your content to their interests. By monitoring your analytics, you can gain insights into which types of videos are resonating with your audience and generating the most revenue. You can also identify areas where you can improve, such as by increasing engagement or targeting specific demographics. Use this data to optimize your content and monetization strategy and continue to experiment and iterate as you grow your channel.